Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'll be reviewing and swatching Urban Decay's Naked Cherry palette. This is Urban Decay's newest naked palette that retails for $49. The reason why this palette retails for $49 compared to $54 is because this one has eyeshadow pans that are 1.1 grams compared to the other naked palettes that are 1.3 grams. The casing of this palette is just like the Naked Heat and Naked Smoky. It has a good quality plastic packaging with the magnetic closure, and it also includes a good quality mirror. This palette has 12 exclusive shades that are new and have never been released. There is a mixture of mattes and metallics, with 7 being matte and 5 metallics. Just like the other nakeds, this palette also includes a synthetic dual-ended brush, with one side being a taper blending side and the other a pencil buffer brush. Since this palette is cherry inspired, it has shades that range from peachy pinks to burgundy and cranberries and some neutrals. So the formula of these mattes are very smooth and pigmented. The mattes are not the creamy type, these are more on the dry side. Even though they are a bit dry, they not only swatch evenly and opaque, but they also blend it smoothly with the blending brush. For the metallic shades, all shades were also really good. They swatched good and applied best with the wet synthetic brush or with the finger application. I'll have this palette linked down below since it's already available online at Urban Decay's retailers, and it will be available October 26th in stores. So I hope this video was helpful. Please don't forget to give me a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys very soon on my next video. Thank you so much for watching.